There was this scientist who was studying behavior, and in order to do that, he conducted an experiment. He took a large transparent fish tank and filled it with water. And then he took a transparent glass, and put a partition in the middle of the tank. And then on one side of the tank, he put a big fish, and on the other side, he put a small fish. Now, the big fish could see the small fish and it wanted to eat it. So it would come with force to eat it, but get banged against the transparent partition. And then it would come again and again and again, and every time it kept, getting banged onto the obstacle. And what happened? After some time, the scientists noticed that the big fish stopped banging on the partition, stopped trying to eat the small fish. And then the scientist did a very interesting thing. He removed the partition. Now both the fishes, the big fish and the small fish, could just swim anywhere in the tank. But the big fish did not try to eat the small fish, because the brain of the big fish got conditioned that it is no use trying to eat the fish because I get banged on my head every time. And it didn't even try to eat the small fish. And mind you, that happens to us as well. When you try to achieve a goal, you are going to hit an obstacle, and then you are going to hit again and again and again, and then we also give up. So just because you tried something 5 years back and it failed doesn't mean that you should not try again. Just because you tried something 3 years back and failed doesn't mean that you should not try again. Just because you failed 1 year back doesn't mean you should not try again. Or just because you failed 6 months back or 3 months back or even 1 week back doesn't mean that you should not try again. Why? Because you never know when the obstacle has been removed. So keep trying till you get and achieve your goal. I hope you found the video useful. Yes, then please share it, like it, comment on it, and most important, subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep getting cool videos like this. This is RajivKumarLuv, your friend, your personal coach and guide. I'll be back with yet another video. Until then, be happy, keep smiling, and take care. Bye.